Hey Eric, this is Josh from Josh and Danny SEO. I'm just shooting you over that video about how you can improve your online presence. So just taking a look at your website, you got a really nice header. Essentially, the entire thing would be the header. Nice logo, all the drop-down menus, which is great. You do have your click to call right here, which is awesome. The quicker they get on the phone, the better. However, I would say to have it in your header here as well, just so we can follow um, people going through your website. So when they see something they like, instead of having to scroll back up, they can just click it, get on the phone with you, and start the conversation right there. It just makes it easier for the customers. People are lazy. Then going through, of course, all the different services you provide, and then great reviews, and that is it. So just looking through, I'm not seeing a ton of content. It is a really nice website. Um, I love the design of it. What Google is truly looking for nowadays is 1,500 to 2,000 words of content so that you can put organic keywords in. Now, what an organic keyword is any buyer intent word that a customer would put in to Google to find your specific service. Now, let's check behind the scenes on what's going on with your website. The way we do that is with a system called Ahrefs or Ahrefs, however you like to pronounce it. So the two things we focus on are the UR rating, which is Google's strength rating, and the DR rating, which is the trust Google places in your website. Whoops. Now, as you can see, you have no data for your strength, and your trust rating is only a 1.4. Now, we're looking for these to be between 30 and 40. That's the ideal situation. Now, the way we get those up are with your backlinks. Now, what a backlink is any link that leads from another website back to yours. Now, all backlinks are not created equal, of course. For example, a Wikipedia link would be an awful link because that's super spammy. However, a link from a flooring blog would be awesome because that's relevant to your services. Excuse me. Now, another super important thing are those organic keywords. So you have 46 or what Google considers buyer intent words. So let's check what Google is ranking you for, or what keywords they're ranking you for. So get renovation, kitchen, and bathroom. That is not something that can rank. Unfortunately, it's not. It's very generic, and it's you. Flooring Raleigh. That's going to be your best one. As you can see, you're ranked on the third page, which, as you can see, you're getting zero traffic from that. The reason being is because the second page is where websites go to die. So when you're on the third page, they're kind of already dead and buried. Now, I know you're starting to improve on all of these, which is awesome. So I'm not sure if you have someone that's been slowly working behind the scenes to do that, or how long they have been doing it. But right now, unfortunately, you're still buried. Now, let's check what Flooring Raleigh, North Carolina, what that would look like. So we put that into Google. First thing that pops up are those ads, the people that are paying to be front and center. Every time someone clicks and calls them from this number and they answer, they get charged. Second thing is that Google Map Pack. Now, it's super important to get on this because 30 to 40% of all people will stop right here and pick one of these three people. And then you have your organic rankings. This is through strength of website. So your top competition in Raleigh is USA Fooring, North Carolina, which is USA Fooring. So looking at their website, they got all their different locations and the number to each different location, all their services, products, about, and as you can see, they don't have a ton to their website. So let's look behind the scenes and see why they're doing so well. So as you can see, their UR rating, their strength is a 35, which is great, and their DR rating is a 16. What they're doing so well is, as you can see, their backlinks is almost 4,000 backlinks, or 3.63. So they're doing really well on that, as well as their organic keywords. So let's check out what organic keywords they have and how well they're ranking for them. So USA Fooring, that's them. Flooring Raleigh, the 400 one that we saw before. They're in the first real position, and they're getting 45 traffic just from this one word. Flooring Wilmington, 400 traffic. They're in the second or third position, second or third position. They're getting 34 traffic just from that, even though they're not at the top. Fayetteville, NC Flooring, 250. They're in the second or third, and they're getting 28, a little over 10%. So as you can see, they're ranking for some really good keywords in their areas, and that's why they're getting that traffic. So if we're looking to beat them out, first things first, you got to get those backlinks. As you can see, your UR and your DR are nowhere near where they need to be. So getting those backlinks will help you rank for those. Now, good thing is, these work. Most of these are great backlinks. You can just take them and use them for yourself, as well as starting your own blog is always nice, and having it link back to you. And then, most importantly, is content, or I'll say working hand in hand is your content. You want that 1,500 to 2,000 words, so you can organically start putting buyer intent keywords throughout your site, so Google can start ranking you for them, so you can start getting that organic traffic and get those calls through your site to raise, of course, the amount of people you're getting through your site. Now, I hope you found this helpful, Eric. If you have any questions, feel free to reach back out to me. And as always, if you can leave some feedback, I'm constantly looking to improve. You have a blessed rest of your day.